If your food tastes like it's missing something, it's probably not more garlic powder. It's probably salt or acid or both. Hi, I'm Rose. I used to be scared of cooking, and when I finally started to learn how to cook, I was so bad at it. It was rough. But over the past couple years, I've been learning and I've been getting better at it, and I'm here to teach you how to do the same. People think loading up their food with spices is what's gonna make it taste better. But the thing is, spices don't work well if the base is off. It's like putting on deodorant without showering, thinking that it will make you smell amazing. Because, spoiler alert, it won't. In fact, it might even make the matter worse. So in this video, we'll talk about how to combine salt, acid, and spices to give your food maximum flavor. Let's start with salt. It's the foundation of flavor. It doesn't just make things salty, it also enhances natural flavors. If you put too little, then your food will taste bland. But if you put too much, good luck eating that thing. The key is to add it little by little, taste it as you go, and adjust when you need to. Start with less because you can always add more later. However, you can't take it back if you add too much. Next, acid. Acid is like the brightener in your seasoning session. Some common acids are lime or lemon juice, vinegar, tomatoes, pickles, and the list goes on. Acid plus fat is the perfect balance. Think about how dressing adds a little kick to your salad, but also people always reach out for some lemon or lime when they're eating seafood. There's a reason for that. Sometimes what your food needs, it's not more salt, it's just some acid. Now let's talk about spices. Their job is to kind of bring personality to your food. But the key word here is add. They don't build the flavor alone. Keep in mind that more spices doesn't necessarily mean more flavor. A few good ones will go a long way. It's all about how you combine them. Most often I use black pepper, garlic powder, thyme, red pepper flakes because I like spicy food. But you can try different ones to see what you like the most. If you're gonna take one thing away from this video, let it be this. Salt builds flavor, acid enhances it, and spices elevate it. If you use all three intentionally, your food will taste amazing. And it takes time to learn the different measurement, to learn what amount of acid or salt or spices will make your food taste the way you want it to. But that's okay. Remember, we always say, learning how to cook is not a race, it's a marathon. You're going to mess up along the way, but the important thing is that you learn from those mistakes and try to do better next time. If this helped, hit that like button so YouTube knows to push this video to other people like you who could benefit from it. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what stood out to you the most. In the next video, we'll make a one-pot dinner together. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Bye for now.